Yeah! Are you gonna throw it? Whoa! More upgrades for the G2 Master. Wider handlebar. Oh my days, this is wide. First I have to take everything off. Okay, now you might notice that the wider handlebars don't fit. This is the fix. And now this just goes in here and it fits. Now it's on there. Oh my days, this is wide. Well, this isn't really an upgrade, it's just something that makes it look better. This is carbon fiber tape. Alright, if I really want LEDs again, I'll just use some LEDs that actually change their color. Unlike these ones, these are blue only. Garbage. Okay, I'll see if I have enough tape. I think I have enough for the sides, for the metal parts, but I'll do these first. Do I have enough for the oh my days, I do. I have plenty. Damn, bro. This looks like a Tevran Fighter Supreme now. Alright, this side is done. Ah yes, I have a carbon fiber frame. The carbon fiber is done. This looks like a Tevran, bruh. The spacers first, because there will be a much bigger battery in here.
The next day.
Alright, we are going to the JoyOnWheels Rideout with the custom project G2 Master, and he's riding my G2 Pro. Well, that G2 Pro is a G2 Master now, sort of, but these handlebars are wide. I have a feeling this Rideout will be cool. Not the best weather, but it's alright.
Hey, it doesn't matter, bro.
At least it's not raining. The G2 Pro sounds like a shitbox.
I know.
How much voltage sag does it have?
10 volts,
Wow.
6 volts. You already lost 2 volts of battery.
Whoa.
Much better. 3 volts voltage sag.
Okay, much
instead
better.
of 7
Yeah.
or 6.
6 or 7.
Yo,
6, 7,
6,
no
7.
hands on the G2 Pro.
yes, it's stable enough now.
This scooter is tough. This will be the fastest G2 Master in the world. I'm gonna build a battery no one has ever put on a G2 Master before. I'm gonna build a monster. Shortcut.
Very efficient shortcut.
Efficient route. If I stand up, I'm gonna hit the ceiling with my head. I have to crouch. What is this guy doing? You're gonna hit the tree, bro.
Cat.
Kitty!
Kitty.
Cats are tough, bro. We are almost there. Push the button. It's called. Gotta do anything for the content. Let's bounce.
Little baby in the pink car.
Little baby.
Wait, I don't think that's a car.
Yeah, that's not a cart.
How is it called?
A crib.
No. Well, the baby carry.
Oh, that's not a crib. Hold on. The only crib is Strike's crib. Is the G2 Pro gonna climb this? Like the G2 Master? No problem. We're taking a shortcut. I just wanna check something. Just stop. Yeah, this is good. Okay, keep going.
Of course it's good.
Now I wanted to check if my 5-minute fix worked.
Can the,
Oh,
G2,
damn.
can the G2 Pro climb? Yes, it can. Ow, ow, ow.
Just push it.
You
come
heard
on.
it?
Does it still work?
You go first because you're his friend.
Alright. Yo! What's good?
What the hell is wrong with your handlebars?
Yeah, they're wide, aren't they? Wait. It's on the power limit right now because I wanted to have range. Yes. Yes. Okay, full power unleashed.
Full power?
Yeah.
Okay, back.
Joy is trying my G2 Master. Yo, look! The gaming scooter!
No, no way.
Damn.
Okay.
I don't think the brake lines reach. Why are the handlebars so narrow? Yo, Joy's winning my G2 Master. And there's a bolt. How is it?
Stop when you build, it feels so freaking cool.
It's gonna be even better.
What's wrong with your deck?
I 3D printed risers. Look at the damn tires. The fastest G2 Pro in this city. Why is Joy Santa Claus? Bro, you weren't lying when you said gaming scooter. Yo.
Square wave, huh?
Yo, hold on. Is that scooter square wave? Bro, look at these tires, man.
Yeah, they're like 12 or 13 inch, I'm not even sure.
Oh, yeah.
You have your hammer or whatever you
Hammer. Alright, let's bounce. Damn, bro. This guy's on a bike. Bro, put lights on his bike.
Yo, these rideouts are actually cool, not gonna lie.
Yo, this is so fun! People, that's massive, one.
Yeah. You know what else is massive?
What else is massive?
The low taper fade.
No taper fade?
You don't know the meme?
Your handlebars are so wide I can't ride you on the street. I ride next to you because you're touching me.
Yeah.
I feel touched by you.
Hey, yo, an e-bike conversion would be so cool on this. Bro, look at those tires, bro. Look at mine and look at his tires. Whoa.
Yo!
Yo, that's a Saron!
No way!
Bro, I've never seen one before.
First Saron in Arad.
Yo, look at this dog. What a dog doing? Okay, no way.
I'm pushing you. I'm pushing you.
Yeah, it's powerful.
Powerful, right?
Yeah.
I'm pushing very hard.
Hey, we haven't that many people today actually, but it's fun. We have to get on the other side. We can go under the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think that's safe.
No, it's not safe.
Turn around. Bro's wheeling the cruise ship. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah! Damn, bro, the G2 Master is so fast.
What battery are you on?
The stock one, for now. Joy, what are you doing? But this looks like a wasteland.
My ass is so wet.
Yo, what did he tell you?
Yo, I said to him, what's up, daddy? And he was like, go back.
What's up, daddy? Come on.
Yo.
Yo!
How is he so good at wheeling a heavy scooter like this?
Yo!
Oh! Rip shoes.
Yo! Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
What was that, bro? Yo, the police station is right here.
The police station is here?
Yeah. We should race them.
3, 2, 1, green.
No. Yeah! No, wrong green, wrong green, wrong green! Yo! Wrong green!
We almost did something bad.
I almost sabotaged it. I feel kind of bad.
Foggy visor is so annoying.
3, 2, 1, green. Yeah!
Yeah! Bro, got perfect timing. 30? Who said? Yo, I'm keeping up, bro!
7 kilowatts versus 4 kilowatts.
We have to wait for the others. Now, this scooter is tough. Look at this. This is an M4 Pro. Damn, bro, go slower. The G2 Pro can't keep up. The dual motor G2 Pro because the motor is cooked.
Ain't that your G2 Pro?
Yeah, it is.
So you borrowed it to your friend?
Yeah, because his scooter is broken. This is some skill, bro, on a G2 Pro. He's not stopping. Oh, no. Yeah, you use a scooter to pump water. That's so efficient. That's how you cool down your motor. Damn, dog's mad. This guy's the owner and he's pissed because we splashed water everywhere. Bro was mad.
That guy looks like the black bird from Angry Birds. I'm the biggest bird.
Yeah, he's the biggest bird. Let's ask them for a private flight. Let's fly to America and meet Saronster.
That's actually a good idea.
Will they give us a private flight to America?
They should.
The airport. So many trash cans, bro. Yo, what?
Tires.
Tires? I think we should bounce. But I've never been here before. Oh yeah, barbed wire fence. Definitely not private. Why are there tractors in here? Are you gonna throw it? Yo, look at this bike. This is a competition bike. My motor is heavier, bro. Bro, it's light. It's like nothing. 2,500 euros. When is my scooter gonna be as light as this bike?
Bro, your motor is heavier than it.
Yeah. Yeah, no hands.
No hand.
Well, it's easier to do with a seat. Gaming scooter. Whoa. Yeah, 6 or 7 kilowatts. Saronster said LGBT lights. Yo, what is this, bro?
Small car.
It is cyberpunk. Yo!
Hello.
There are some people that like scooters and there are people that hate scooters. Yeah, bro, this is tough.
Yo, what we doing? Okay.
Okay, bro, we are motorcycles now. Yo, bro is charging the scooter. I don't think this works. Yo, do you know how many volts this charger has?
400?
Yeah, about 400.
That means you can charge your Starbucks here.
Bro, the balls are freezing. Yeah! Ah, toxic fumes.
It smells good, bro.
Good? Bro, look how many people we are left.
No,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6, 7!
Joy, 6, 7! Yo, do it again, do it again. Bro, there's so much smoke coming out of it. Do it, do it, do it. Keep going, keep going.
Okay.
Damn!
Okay.
My G2 Master motors in summer will be hotter than the sun. Nah, Joy ain't putting Vesk.
Does he put Vesk on every scooter?
No, he never put a Vesk before, I think. I did. I put a Vesk on the G2 Master, I put a Vesk on the G2 Pro, I put a Vesk on yours and you blew it up. Never turn off face filtering. Yeah, I wonder why. The brake lever ain't connected to anything. Yo, I think I'ma get this is amazing. These donuts are banging, bro. I'ma go get some juice. Bro, I'm telling you, this is amazing.
What? I got these.
This is amazing.
Oh, that's a donut.
Yeah, pay for that real quick. Hell yeah. Of course it's approved. I have infinite money. I don't. I'm gonna use my friend's helmet as a shopping bag. Yeah. What material is this? I think it's metal. Yo, look at my shopping bag.
That is not a shopping bag, bro. That's your helmet.
It is a shopping bag.
Interesting manner of carrying your product.
Yeah, it's my friend's helmet. Alright, bro. See you around. Come on.
Bro,
Whoa. What did you do?
well, I had to stop with my leg. This is how I stopped.
Ow.